When you search for a bread maker, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Asapoto Bread Maker. The Asapoto Bread Maker caught my eye right away. Priced at $88.88, it's the best seller in its category. If you want a reliable machine that offers a variety of baking options, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 17 different programs, you can bake everything from crusty French loaves to sweet pizza dough. The 2-pound capacity is perfect for families, and the 3 crust shades allow you to customize your bread just the way you like it. Plus, the 15-hour delay timer means you can set it up the night before and wake up to the smell of fresh bread. The nonstick pan makes cleaning up a breeze. No more scraping stuck dough off a metal surface. With a 4.5-star rating from over 2,200 reviews, it's clear that many people are satisfied with their purchase. Now, some people complained about the noise level during baking. Here's the thing though, most bread makers make some noise, and it's really not that loud compared to traditional ovens. If you're someone who can't stand any sound while cooking, this might be a deal breaker, but for most, it's a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone who loves experimenting with different types of bread. Skip this one if you want a super quiet machine while it runs. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for extra features. Product number 2, Elite Gourmet Bread Maker. Next up, we have the Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker. Priced at $94.99, this mint-colored beauty offers a sleek design and has a ton of functionalities. If you want a user-friendly machine that delivers bakery-quality bread with minimal effort, this is worth considering. What's great about this bread maker is its 19 preset programs, including gluten-free and jam options. That means you're not just limited to bread. You can whip up cakes and even pizza dough. The 15-hour delay timer allows you to fit fresh bread into your busy schedule, while the compact design won't take up too much space in your kitchen. Plus, with a solid 4.5-star rating from 3,000 reviewers, it's clearly a crowd favorite. But here's the honest flaw. Some users found that the gluten-free settings didn't perform as well as expected. Now, I'll be real with you. If gluten-free is a must for you, maybe check out the reviews or consider a specialized machine. For most other users, this machine is fantastic and versatile enough to handle a variety of recipes. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one machine that caters to both bread and other baked goods. Skip this one if you're strictly focused on gluten-free baking. Now, if the Asapoto's noise level bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 3, KITC Chian Bread Machine. Next on our list is the KitchenArm 29-in-1 Smart Bread Machine. At $104.99, this stainless steel beauty has a lot to offer. If you're someone who loves to customize your bread baking experience, this is definitely worth a look. This machine boasts 29 different automatic menus, including gluten-free, sweet, and even keto options. You can choose from 3 loaf sizes and crust colors, making it incredibly customizable. It even allows you to save your favorite settings for next time, so you can enjoy your go-to recipes without starting from scratch. With a 4.6-star rating and over 7,800 reviews, it's clear that many home bakers trust this machine. However, some users mentioned that it can be a bit complicated for beginners. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to spend a little time learning the settings, the payoff is huge. If you want something straightforward right out of the box, this might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you enjoy experimenting with a variety of bread recipes and want a machine that grows with your baking skills. Skip this one if you want a simple, no-fuss bread maker. Alright, that was an interesting option. But if you're looking for something that's super user-friendly, let's check out our next pick. Product number 4, Naretva Bread Machine. Next up is the Naretva 2.2 lb Bread Machine, priced at $139.99. This machine caught my attention because it has some really innovative features. If you're after a versatile machine that can cater to different dietary needs, this one is worth your time. What's unique about the Naretva is its dual heater system, which promotes even baking by heating from both the top and bottom. This means your bread will be fluffy and perfectly cooked every time. The 15 different programs include options for gluten-free bread and yogurt, making it a true multitasker. Plus, the 15-hour timer is a lifesaver for busy mornings. It has a solid 4.5-star rating across 903 reviews, showing it's popular among home bakers. Now, some users reported that the size of the loaf is a bit smaller than they expected. Here's my take. While it might not be huge, it's actually perfect for smaller households or those who don't eat a lot of bread. If you're feeding a crowd, you might want to consider a larger machine. This is perfect for you if you want a machine that can handle various types of diets and has advanced baking features. Skip this one if you need a large capacity for bigger families. Now, if you're looking for a compact option that's easy to use, let's move on to our final pick. Product number 5, Cuisinart Bread Maker. Finally, we have the Cuisinart Bread Maker, a reliable choice at around $136.14. If you want a straightforward, no-fuss machine that gets the job done, this is definitely worth checking out. Offering 12 different menu options, this machine lets you bake a variety of breads and even pizza. It supports 3 loaf sizes and crust colors, allowing for a bit of customization without overwhelming you with choices. The compact design is great for kitchens with limited space, and its 4.4-star rating from 17,000 reviews shows that it's a trusted option among many. However, some users mentioned it has a slightly slower bake time compared to other models. While that can be a downside, it also gives the bread more time to develop flavor, which many bakers appreciate. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a classic bread maker that's user-friendly and efficient. Skip this one if you need a machine that bakes faster or has a ton of advanced features. To wrap things up, we've covered some fantastic options today. From the Asapoto's versatility to Cuisinart's simplicity, each machine has its strengths and weaknesses. The best choice really comes down to your personal baking needs and preferences. In conclusion, whether you want advanced features, simplicity, or something in between, there's a bread maker here for you. The Asapoto offers variety, while the Elite Gourmet is user-friendly. The KITC Chinerim is for the adventurous baker, the Naretva caters to dietary needs, and the Cuisinart is all about ease of use. Choose the one that fits your baking lifestyle best, and you'll be enjoying fresh homemade bread in no time.